The use of trend line is one of the strategies that will offer you a perfect and precise entry point whenever you are trading. But before you make use of a trend line, you must establish the trend of the market. You must do what? Identify the trend of the market before making use of trend line. Do you understand? If the market is trending downward, all your focus should be on sell. Do you understand? If the market is trending upward, all your entry should be on buy. Do you understand? So using trending line will all give you a precise and accurate entry point. Do you understand? But it must obey the trend of the market. You must use it in what? In the direction of what? The trend of the market, because trend flowing trend of the market, flowing market trend is the best trading tactics any forex trader must adopt. Do you understand? All right, now this is what I mean. For my chart now, you see that this is a downtrend. This is what? A downtrend, because the market is below moving average. Now let me show you how to make use of trend line and record massive profit. Do you understand? Now the use of trend line is all about joining two distinct points. Do you understand? Now from my screen now, you see that this is a downtrending market. Now let me use a trend line. Now this is a trend line. I join these 2 points. Do you understand? I join these 2 points. Do you understand? Now once I join these 2 points, the next thing is to extend that line. Do you understand? Extend it. Where the price touches this trend line, the third time, that is the third touch. This is the first. Here is what? The first point, then as what? The reference point. This is the first point here, then as what? The reference point. Now this is the first touch. Do you understand? Now your entry should be at the what? The third touch on the trend line. Do you understand? So you extend the trend line. Look at it. Extend it. Are you seeing it? So here what? Here is the top touch, which is what? Your entry point. Do you understand? Here is your top touch, and that is your what? Your entry point. Look at this point here. This is your entry point, the top touch. The top touch should be your what? Your entry point. Now if you look at this structure, you see that all we are doing, we are focusing on sell. Do you understand? We are focusing on sell because the market is trending downward, is below moving average. So we are using the trend line to get our sell entries. Do you understand? As far as the market is below moving average, all we'll be doing is work sell entries. Do you understand? All right. So once you make your entry there, this is what? A lot of profit for you. This is what? A lot of profit. So all you should do is to do what? Make sure that you are flowing the trend. Do you understand? Make sure that you are do what? Flowing the trend. Now if you extend it, now here is what? Another touch. Here is what? Another touch for you to make your entry. Do you understand? Here is what? Another touch for you to make your entry. Wherever the market touches the trend line is what? A perfect, look at this. This is what? A perfect entry point. If you make your sell entry here, you are what? On huge profit. Do you understand? So look at it. Look at the 2 points used to establish the trend line, or the point where the market touches this point, this trend line, are what your perfect entry points. Do you understand? Right? Now, when the market, you can still use a trend line in this manner. You can still use a trend line in this manner where you look at this, where as provided the market is still trending up. Look at this, when you see the market moving up, you use a trend line like this. Now, whatever you are using this trend line not to buy, you are not buying, but you are focusing on sell. Where the market crosses that trend line, you sell. Where the market crosses the trend line, you do what? You sell. Like this point, this is where the market crosses the trend line, and you do what? Make your sell entry again. So this is another way of using trend line. Are you seeing it? Right. Now the most important thing is that you must focus on the what? On the trending of what? Of the market. Now this is another approach. Look at this. You use these two lines to establish the trend. Now you extend it wherever the market touches this trend line, the top time. Look at it. So this is what you are entering. All these points where the market touches the trend line are what you are entries. I seen it. So with this trend line, you will get a perfect entry. Do you understand? You will get what? A perfect entry. That is for sell. Do you understand? Now this is for buy. Now you see that the market is up trend. The market is above moving average. So this is what? An up trending market. Do you understand? So you use a trend line to connect this point and this point. Do you understand? Now you extend this trend line. You see, all you do should be to get a perfect entry to buy. Do you understand? Not to sell, but to buy. Do you understand? So all the trend line must be below the candlesticks. Do you understand? So you extend it. Once you extend it, the top touch is your what? Your buy entry. The top touch is your what? Your buy entry. So you buy at this point where the market touches the trend line at top time. Do you understand? So that's it. From this point where the market touches the trend line, you make your what? Buy entry from this point here. Do you understand? Right? So that is it. So all you do must be in the direction of the market. If the market is trending down, all you should focus is on what? Sell. If the market is uptrend, all your focus should be on what? On buy. Do you understand? So this is how to use the trend line and record the massive profits by getting accurate entry point. Do you understand? And it must be in the direction of the market. Do you understand? So this is OPTIMER FX, where profitable strategies are shared. If you like the video, hit the subscribe button, share the video, let others benefit. Thank you.